This is Tim Queen, and today we're going to talk about how to develop an evergreen engagement strategy for social media. So the thing you have to remember when it comes to social media is that platforms want to sell ads to the users. So if the users don't enjoy being on that platform, then they can't sell ads, so they don't have a business model, so they don't make any money, so they have to close down. So it's really important for the platform to make it as enjoyable as possible for users to stay. Now, unfortunately, every time you have like a large user base or a very targeted user base in one spot, this will always attract spammers. Spammers who don't want to put in the work, they don't want to put in the effort, they just want to spam people with links, getting people to buy something, just annoying people. So in order to prevent the spammers, most social media platforms, and that's why I call it like an evergreen engagement strategy, have implemented like a very similar approach. They reward unique content and they reward effort. When you share something on any social media platform, and let's say it's like an external link, first of all, most social media platforms want you to stay within the systems, so sharing external content will always get you less engagement. Whatever you're writing as your share, as your post, as your description, the shorter it is, the less effort you had to put in, the less impressions you're going to get. What it means, if you're putting like an effort and creating a longer description, a longer post text, and the context is completely unique, you will get more initial impressions. If you get people to engage with your post, there's different levels of engagement. The first one is likes. Likes is very cheap. Like everyone could just press the button. It's not a lot of effort. It's just one button click and then people are gone. If you can get people to put in more effort, and effort would be writing a comment or sharing something because there is a larger social price that people are paying. If they share something, they are like putting their name down to share this with their network. So the more someone costs people, the more time, the more social investment, this will be rewarded by the platform. So if someone is writing a comment, which is just like great stuff, social media platforms can take this one code snippet and compare this with how many people also left a comment with great stuff on the platform. So if you go through the Instagram database, you probably find like 8 billion people have left like a comment like great stuff or like a heart or whatnot. So this comment will also, it's not very unique, it's just one of 8 million comments in that example. So the more unique your comment is, the higher the investment you put in, because you created something unique, something original. So original will always be rewarded. So by just creating a content, just by writing a comment that has been duplicated millions of times, you're not going to get as much engagement as if your users creating unique comments. So it's really important that you get your readers, your viewers engaged, and you ask them a question that they can answer in a comment, which will hopefully result in a lot of unique comments that have never been seen by the platform before. And even better, if you can get people to start sub-comments and start a conversation, starting to talking with each other, that means like a lot of different people have put in a lot of effort. So accumulatively, there might be hundreds of hours of time investment in this entire post. What you put into creating the content, what you put in an effort of writing a post description, creating a strong call to action, all the different comments, writing, replying, starting conversation, sharing, writing descriptions for your sharers, engaging with the sharers, all of this time accumulated will hopefully for some posts result in like hours, tens of thousands of hours of time spent for this post. And the more hours in effort were spent, the more people will see it. And this is how you generate a viral post. Viral posts are in essence posts where thousands of people have spent a lot of effort of creating and responding to each other, communicating around a topic. So this will always work. This will always be true if it's 2019, 2020, 2100. So if you can get people to invest time to engage with your post, to read it, to watch the entire video from start to finish, to put in the time to write a long comment, to reply to other people, to talk to each other, to write long sub comments, to get people to share and writing a solid description, then to comment inside their own share and getting more and more people to do more effort. The more effort you get, the better the post will perform, the better your overall results. So that's the evergreen social media marketing strategy that will always work. If you like this strategy, let me know in the comments below. Tell me like what has worked for you in the past in terms of social media strategy. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell icon so you get more marketing strategies that actually work into your inbox.